Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jharsuguda location. It is from Odisha. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for business development executive position for campaign marketing, and it is from the industry like EduTech company, a top recognized EduTech company. For this position, the candidate must have qualifications like experienced graduates and fresher MBA candidates can apply, and freshers and up to 2 years of experienced candidates of working in sales or marketing will be preferred, and you must have excellent communicational skills in the regional language English and Hindi, and you should be driven to interact with people and looking to improve their interpersonal skills. And for this position the salary will be up to 23,000 per month. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for customer relationship manager position from Reliance Digital. For this position, the candidate should have relevant experience in customer relationship management and preferably from retail industry. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for unit sales manager position from ICICI Lombard. If you are fit for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for relationship manager position from Insurance Deco. If you are fit for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for field sales executive position from ODM Educational Group. For this position, you must have on-field business development experience for at least 1 year, and they are looking for smart personality, and also you should have good communication skills. And if you see the salary, it will be 1.8 to 2.8 lakhs per annum, like it will be fixed, and variable like 2 to 4 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for SAP ABAP HR position from Instrap IT Solutions. They are looking for immediate joiners or within 15 days or less than that. And for this position, you must have 3 years to 5 years of experience in the same field, and the mode of employment will be like permanent. The salary will be based as per industry standards. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for CEO position. You should have qualifications like MBA or MCA or BTech or MTech qualifications, and also you must have 4 years and above experience will be preferred, and the salary will be negotiable. If you are fit for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.